do, Bruce?
I took 100 grams of flour, a tiny pinch of salt, dipped it into a bowl, made a well in the middle, with a crack of a couple of eggs into. The eggs can get whipped, taken in this surrounding batter, and then slowly, what milk's going to get added or stir in the already whipped eggs and the remaining batter. To make a smooth, slightly lumpy batter, but slightly lumpy is alright. Jesus, it's getting tough, man.
What are you doing, Bruce?
People call me the space cowboy. Around the edges. We're mixing up a nice thick batter here. It looks like my love juice is after a heavy night with a dirty Taiwanese hooker. I love whiskey now. Don't bring it whiskey here! Fucking hell, mate. You're the master chef. Get your fucking ass in there. We're trying our best here, you know what I mean? No, I'm a good chef, you know what I mean, but... You got blue.
It'll burn off. An evil bit of kitchen equipment. Evil!
Yeah, all right now.
Way! Oh, save it, save it. Oh, it's fuck. Way!
Yeah. Lovely to eat. Fucking beautiful.
Bruce, talk us through what you're doing as a with the finished product.
Chucking gin and sugar on it with and fucking rolling it up like a sausage and eating the mofo. Fucking beautiful. Nice full pastry or whatever the fuck it is. Swimming in sugar and lemon juice.
It looks like dirty porno. Bruce is cooking.
Ready, mate. Quick.
Okay.
Could spin the thing of it. More around there. Get me on
The World Championship Pancake Toss commences now!
Hey! Hey! Still alive! Don't think you dickhead!
Just in case it lands on the floor, we got some titties to save it. That's my one.
Hey! 360? Good shit?
Oh.
Come on. Flip it right, man. Flip it right. You can do it.
No, it's gone. Sure. Go.
Not bad, mate.
Quick, there's still like 20 seconds to go.